And today you'll see a lot of metal roofing. We started our metal roofing earlier this week, and the guys did one side already. This is medallion lock metal roof that we got from McElroy's Metal. We had it prefabricated ahead of time. We did all the measurements, got it delivered, and now we just have to lock them in, screw in the clips, clip the thing on. Hello, welcome back. This is Struck Construction. We're back in Placerville, California. And since the last time you saw us, a lot of work has been done, a lot. We had a septic tank installed. We had water lines. Electrical is our next stage. We're doing half of the house is going to be powered by solar panels. So we had an auger drill in the posts, and we're going to have electrical ran. But at the moment, we have wonderful water in the house, finally. And yeah, was the most recent job that was done. Was the septic tank was installed. We had our plumber guy come out here and ran the sewer lines all the way down. It got tested, passed inspection amazingly, which was great. And yeah, the house got painted. What people don't understand is sometimes the longest things that take time is certain clients take time to pick the colors. So it's always good before you start the job, when you're building the foundation, like a month in advance, tell the client to choose a color, the right color. But I'm grateful with the color she chose, because it's a very unique, very beautiful baby blue. Welcome to the upstairs. This is probably my favorite part of the home. Over here, we also have the roof that's slanted down. Some people close it up. We don't want to do that. We want to leave extra space for her to put storage and such, utilize as much as possible. As we go right here, this is going to be the balcony. It's 3 doors that open up and goes to the balcony area. Over here, as you see on this right side and left side, these doors are also balcony access. So it's technically 3 balconies, but these 2 are smaller ones. I don't know. I like it because you have a nice view outside. If you want to step out, that will be there. As well as another door access. And here is more storage, or you turn it into a bedroom. But I'm not going to say it. I would do it. We'll see what she does. But this right here, as you can tell, you have... Try to utilize as much space as possible, and this is all gonna be extra room for her. But yeah, thank you so much for following our project. I'm Serge Jr. from Struck Construction. Thank you. Hello, welcome back to Placerville, California. And today we're doing a patio retaining wall. So please, if you enjoyed the video, put a like or subscribe. and watch to the end if see the process of what we do here. Thank you.
today. It's a beautiful day. We just finished a project on the Placerville. Today will be final inspections. It's a beautiful house for the lady. She will move next week. This project take about 12 months from the ground, for the compaction, for the foundation to finish it completely. Everything's to be, you will see like custom house, wood doors, custom cabinets. Everything's to be like a nice paint. And if you any questions, if you like construction like this, call to numbers 916-439-7573. Thank you.